3-0, but do you feel Odisha has played much better than the scoreline that reflects?
I think my job and my responsibility is analyze the match as a coach, not as a fan or supporter. The most important thing for me as a coach when I analyze the match is not only the result. And today I am not happy. I am not happy because I think it's the worst match at home. The result is not reflect the reality, what happened on the ground. And if we play more matches in the same way, I think it's possible not win matches like today. I need to improve, I need to learn, we need to improve and we need to learn about this match, because when you decrease the level in this league, it's very difficult to win the trophy. And today only is good the result.
So what are these things that makes you so critical in analysis?
Sure.
What are those things that makes you so critical in your analysis?
No, it's not critical. I think it's very important. If you want to continue improving, it's necessary to analyze the situation. And it's not possible 3-0 and everybody is happy. I know everybody is happy, top on the table, is good for us, very important 3 points. But in this way, it's difficult to win more matches. Because I think everybody today couldn't see FC Goa. Keep the ball, have the possession, create chances, dominate the game. I think today is not this situation. I think Odisha play well, have the ball, and in the first minutes I am happy because in the first minutes the team play well. But after this minute, I think Odisha play well, and it's possible win, draw, or lose the match. And today, to win the match, and only for me, is good the result.
2 goals in the last 5-10 minutes of the game. Do you think that completely changed the scoreline and the dynamics of the game? Because otherwise it would have been just 1-0.
Yeah, yes. But it's important continuous working till the end. I think they have some chances. For example, Aridane, one chance it's possible to change the match when if he scored 1-1. But today a little bit I don't believe in lucky. But maybe today we have a little bit lucky.
Is that luck more in terms of Odisha not scoring or FC Goa scoring more goals?
What is for?
Are you feeling lucky that Odisha did not score goals or they missed the chances, or that FC Goa scored 2 more goals?
No, I think lucky because not play good match and won 3-0.
In the second half, the team really struggled for the rhythm. So there were a lot of missed passes. What was it down to?
I think too much distance between lines. I think no good pressing for the opponent team. When the opponent team have very good players and receive between lines, it's very difficult for us. And I think the missing the communication, the press collective, like the other matches, is very important. Understand we need defender all team. It's not possible defender 5 the line defensive. Is very important working defensive all team. And today is difficult going to the pressing the opponent team, recover the ball faster, and when happened this, we suffer. We suffer because it's far or idea. And I think today we need to analyze very well the match with my players to improve. We have 3 days to training and for the next match. And I won. Everybody is happy because top of the table, 18 points. I don't want not a party now and the supporters crying. No, but my job as a coach is very important to improve the team when it's possible. Another matches, maybe not win the match, but I was more happy.
We'll take the last question.
Early injury for Jackie Chan. Will he recover for Chennai's match?
I hope, because it's a knock. Knock is. I hope it's possible to recover don't have too much time, but I think it's possible. It's necessary tomorrow test better.
It seems that the supporters' numbers is a bit less than it used to be last season. You used to have a lot of supporters. So, anything that you would like to tell the supporters via media?
I, as a coach, only can tell the supporters thank you so much. Thank you so much, because always are with us at home, away, and is our heart. Is for us, and for me as a coach and players, the most important thing in this club is the supporters. I need analyze. I know the club need analyze why is this situation.
Coach, your thoughts on the performance?
Look, I think that was a very equal game until the last 10 minutes that GOA scored these 2 goals that come from our mistakes. And I think that the team deserved more. This 3-0 for me is so much punish for us, because we don't deserve this 3-0. If you see the game, I think that the game was quite equal in a lot of time of the game. But this is football. I think that we have a lot of young players that they need to get experience. The first goal also come from a ball that we lost in the middle of the field. That is a ball that normally you cannot lose. And in a transition, GOA scored the first goal. And look, when you are playing against a very top opposition, if you do mistakes, these mistakes normally you get punished. Nothing to say to my players. I think that everybody bring 120%. And the important now is, I think, to have a good recovery tomorrow, and after we have 3 days to prepare the next game, and the important one will be the next game. Finally, we will play at home, which for us is a news, it's a big news, because we'll be the game number 10, and we don't play one single game at home.
You feel the game could have been a lot different had Santana scored in the 17th minute, he had taken his chances?
Yes, I agree with you. Before the first goal that GOA scored, we had our chance before them, and also we had the option to have the 1-1 before GOA scored the second. If one of these 2 chances go inside, probably the game changed.
Hi coach, second half FC Goa were pretty happy to sit back, relax and bank on the counter attack. But last 15 minutes were pretty unexplainable. How would you say the game turned out?
Look, I think that we had over word to say in the game until the second goal. You know, the balance came different when we conceded the second goal. Until this, I think the game was an open game. I think that we had the ball. I think that we arrived in a good areas. I think that we had a good crossings. This is the difference. That they scored the second goal, and the moment with 2-0 is finished.
FC Goa very well known for their striker Koro. Do you think man marking Koro would have changed the game quite a bit?
Look, I think that Koro is a top player. He played in first division in Spain for a long time. He's someone with a lot of experience and is a top scorer. And for me as a coach, I don't make my man marking to anyone. For me, I don't like this kind of things. It's not my style. I don't think to do this. You know, for me, football is other kind of things, and man marking, you know, it's not in my brain.
You're playing Chennai next at Bhubaneswar. How would you approach that game?
Now we play Jamshedpur, and after Chennai and after Mumbai, 3 games at home. And I hope that this brings us this extra power that we need. Now the important is to recover the players, to see how are Diabandu and Jelly, that both get an injury after the game, and I need to change them and replace them, and that's all. Now important is recover. I have 3 days to prepare this game, and it's a big game for us, playing at home and Jamshedpur, and it's a game that means a lot to us.